Hi, it's David from Ruff Tuff again. It's National Fortune Cookie Day, and we're celebrating by reading fortunes and adding the words on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. These are actual fortunes from actual fortune cookies. We didn't make any of them up for this video. You desire to discover new frontiers on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. See how that works? A small dessert will cheer you up. You may indulge on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. Our seat covers are fairly easy to clean. I mean, you should see what we did on Pi Day a few years ago. Your dream will come true when you least expect it. An enjoyable vacation awaits you near the mountains. Your best idea will come to you while on a drive in the coming week. Next Tuesday will be one of success and surprises, all on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. A gift from nature will soon be coming your way on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. A nice sunset, maybe. You will bring joy to someone new in your life on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. I'm thinking of sharing that pretty sunset with someone. What are you thinking? After a hard day's work, you deserve to have a good time on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. This one warms our hearts here at Ruff Tuff. It is the quality rather than the quantity that matters. Do a good job on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers. To you and yours, happy National Fortune Cookie Day on Ruff Tuff custom seat covers.